Good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to part 3 of my bike workshop renovation, which is in there, and also doing up this bike storage area. So since the last video, which was only a couple of days ago, I've taken out these last couple of perspex panels that were in here, a few other bits of wood that were left here, there and everywhere. I have measured up these supports for the feather edge boarding. They're just about 1 metre apart, so I'm actually going to double them up and put an extra support in the middle of each of those, just so that the cladding on the outside is well supported and I can stagger it and make a nice strong wall out there. The other thing I've done is I've had 50 2.4 metre lengths of feather edge boarding delivered there, and I've laid it all out in the garden. I've given it all a coat of black paint. So today in this video I'm going to get this finished off. I think get the supports done on time lapse, get the feather edge boarding on time lapse, then I'll give it a last sweep out. Then I will close off this end to make it completely secure all the way around, give it a good sweep out, get the bike mounts up on the wall, and then I can get the bikes out of the workshop, free up a bit of space in there, ready for the next stage. But for now, time lapse, let's get on with this wall.
I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas trip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stunner till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stunner till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my feelings, sending action. These days no kumbaya, niggas be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty mixed up, this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I D.I.E.
Because I saved so many screws taking this thing apart, I'm actually going to reuse as many of the screws as I can just to put it back together again, just to save mainly trying to find a bag of nails which is somewhere in that garage. So all of these screws are going to be reused.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good. Chug a look around, find one to see my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes, I don't even know if she a wife. But I do know one thing, no. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. She blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Jury in the safe on arrival, pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get you images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. She blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the
Other second chances. Just do what you wanna be, how you wanna speak, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. And I'm stunned till I get. You just do what you wanna be, how you wanna speak, what you wanna be, who you wanna be.
As you can see, hopefully it's coming on really well. I've not had much wastage. They're all going on quite nicely. I have obviously miscalculated how many I need because, yeah, obviously I did do, because I counted 11 rows here, but we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, not too far out. It's probably going to be 12. So 2 more rows there. And I also counted 11 pieces to go. Sorry, 11 pieces to fill this gap in, when obviously it's 11 pieces just to the top of the brick wall, and I've got brick wall below it. So I'm going to need another 20 pieces or so, which isn't the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. And in fact, I've got a load of half pieces there, which I could potentially half and half with these. So yeah, I'll keep going. What do I do now? Try that last row. Did you see me putting that last row in over there in heat? Vinny, out. Vinny, out. Vinny, come out here. Vinny, oi, here. Right, so I think I'll probably put another row on while I'm making such good progress across the top, and then I'll make up that for now with whatever I've got left. I do want to try and get this swept out and kind of secure tonight, but we'll see. I'm doing well. I'm pleased with how it's going. One more row across the top, and then we'll stop and take stock of what we've got left for that wall. Right.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, that feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way?
Well, I've officially run out of feather edging. How many more pieces do I need? I have to redo some of that in there, to be honest. I knew I wouldn't eke it out. I was just trying to see what I could fill with half bits. Some bits, as you can see, are on a bit of a slope. I'm going to need another 10 strips, 10 pieces. Oh, another piece there, 9 pieces. I might get away with 9 pieces, but for now, I think I've done all I can. I might just find a panel to cover that in for now until I can get some more pieces. But I'm pretty pleased with that. I've made pretty good progress. With the lights in here, hopefully you can see what I'm aiming for now with this little covered bike storage area. Need to get it all swept out. I think when I sweep it all out, I'm going to sweep it all out down this way and out through that hole there, and then board up after it. That's a good plan, isn't it? But yeah, pretty pleased with it. I think eventually I do want to board it over the inside in here, cover up with some hardboard or something, cover up the inside, board it all out, make it a little bit more weatherproof, I guess. But certainly for now, this is great, and I'm going to get it swept out and then start getting some bikes out of the way, I think.
Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got a hunger she don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes.
So the plan is for these bikes, it may look crowded now, but reason being, I've got 2 or 3 bikes in here which I'm doing up to sell, but I can't do them up until I've got a bike workshop to do them up in, to restore them or to make them work again. So I've got a couple in here probably that I'm going to sell, and I also want to get 2 or 3 of them up on the wall, on wall mounts like I had in my other garage. So I've certainly got space on that wall for 2, or maybe I'll put them on this wall. I don't know, but I do know I've got more than enough space. This end wall here, I can put frames and wheels hanging up on. I'm not going to leave them in here overnight with that hole at the end. Obviously, I'm going to finish it all off. I just wanted to get them in here because I've been desperate to do this for a while, but this looks pretty good, doesn't it? What a nice little space. I'm really pleased with this. Anyway, for now, I think that is probably the end of this video. Come back when I do the finishing touches. Take care. Bye.